Say it with me, the V. Van. The thief.
Then M is for mango, and the mango, and the mango. Mango in a tree. N is for nest where birds.
H for hen. H for hen.
Q for queen, Q for quail. T is for tomato, T to tomato, T to tomato.
Nest, lovely.
Dolphin, dolphin, little A.
D is for dog, bark and run. E is for elephant.
C for cat. C for cat.
U for uncle, U for umbrella, U. K is for keyboard, keyboard.